Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 70, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to customize the glances menu on this watch. And the glances menu on the Garmin watches is basically this menu that shows you different stats for different features of the watch. For example, we have this run feature and it shows you how much you run this week, training status, you have training readiness, health, weather and stuff like that. And we can customize this menu to display different things. We can add glances, remove glances, reorder them, so you can basically make it more tailored to your needs, your liking, basically more personal. And I'm going to show you how to do it, of course, so let's get started. So first thing you will need to do is to open the glances menu, and you can open it by swiping up on the home screen. And here we have the glances, and let's say you want to add the glance. It's quite simple. You tap on edit, then you tap on the add button, and now you can scroll through the list of glances and you can find something you like. For example, let's say I want to have the pulse oximeter, notifications, and maybe stocks. And then we can press the back button and the glances will be added, as you can see. We can also remove the glances. So let's say you want to remove something, you select it, hover over it, then press start button. Then you will see this bin icon right here. You press start button to confirm and the glance will be removed. And if you want to reorder the glances, you can simply select the glance you want to move. So this one, press start button. Don't press it again because you will remove the glance, but you can then move it up and down. And once the bin icon disappears, then you can press the start button to place it like this. And if you go back, the changes should be applied, and here we have our edited glances menu, and we have our stonks right here at the top, and we have pulse oximeter and notifications as well. Okay, and that's how you customize the glances menu on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.